welcome back to my channel. If you're new in my channel, my name is Naturel. Today I'm going to create this look over here. I'm actually on a rush. I'm going to attend my friend's wedding dinner tonight, so I kind of want to create a look that is easy, glam, not too complicated, not too dramatic. So I came up with this look. Actually, it's inspired by my outfit today. If you want to see how I get this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start up with applying this cute little lip balm. This one is by Vaseline in Rose Lips. I really like this packaging. It's so mini primer. This one's by Benefit. I'm gonna just focus on places that I get oily throughout the day. The foundation that I'm gonna use today is this one. This is Infaillible by Loreal buffing brush from Realtechniques. Because this foundation is matte, you want to make sure that you blend the products quicker because it dries up quite fast. Don't forget to blend the product down to your neck. Moving on to concealer. I'm going to use two shades today by Maybelline. Using the lighter color, we're going to do some highlight. Using the medium shade, I'm gonna blend it by using a beauty blender. Alright, let's move on to the eyes. I'm going to be using this Hoola by Benefit. And you want to just focus this product on the socket of your eye. And I'm going to blend it more upwards in a circular motion. Moving on, I'm going to use one of this sleek palette. I'm going to use this one. We are gonna apply this product at the outer V as well. We're gonna move on to this shimmer color over here. I'm gonna use a little bit of Fix Plus. This is by MAC. My favorite mascara, this is by Maybelline. I'm going to contour my nose. Today we're not going to put any wing liner, but we are definitely going to tightline the waterline. And because we are using false lashes, to make the eyelashes really natural is to tightline. So I'm going to use this gel liner by Maybelline and this fine liner brush by Realtechniques. Apply it at the top waterline. Like so. Moving on to the brows. I always come back and touch up the brows after applying my eye makeup. I'm just gonna apply this brow kit by Borwn. I'm gonna mix the two colors. I'm gonna move on to the skin. I'm gonna do some shading, and this one is contour brush. I'm gonna move on to the blush. The one I'm using right now is Born to Love by MAC. And this is a limited edition. I just really like the color. I have quite a tan skin. That's why I really like this peachy tone, and this matches my skin really well, and I can just wear this with any lip color or eyeshadow. It always works. And there are always some remaining products at the brush, so you can just go over your T-zone, your chin. That will make the whole face look even more natural. Powder, my concealer. With a little bit of the translucent powder. To the places where it's always get oily, you can just do this. I know right now I look like a monkey, but really it helps. My forehead. I'm gonna do some highlight. At the bridge of the nose. And the inner corner. I'm going to apply this a little bit of the bronzer at the bottom of my eye. And going back to the mascara, I'm going to apply at the bottom lashes. For the lips, I'm going for this Maybelline Touch of Nude. I'm gonna put this nude eyeliner by Clio. I'm gonna apply it at my waterline. It's gonna open my eyes bigger. This is the first time I use this product. It looks pretty good. It's not white, it's nude, so it's not too crazy under the eye. And it's really good that we apply a gel black eyeliner at the upper waterline instead of just like a pencil, because if the eyeliner is not waterproof enough, it can transfer the products down to your bottom waterline, which is gonna look pretty messy because once it dries off, it won't move, especially this one, the Maybelline one. I've tried it so many times and I know it works for sure. Alright, I think this is the end of the video. I really like how it turns out. I like that it's not too dramatic because I really just want to look nice and sweet today. But anyways, this is the look of today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Turn on that little notification bell. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.